Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're taking a look at the Bravo Passport Pouch, one of Alpaka's newest releases. This is a compact versatile pouch with a sling capability designed specifically for travel. It's perfect for carrying your everyday essentials like your phone, passport and all those small but important items you need on the go. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right straight into it. So straight off the cuff, this really does feel almost phone size. It does fit slightly larger than a typical phone, but it does just fit nicely in the palm of my hands. It is built with the same materials. It's a Flux 210D on the exterior, and you can pick it up either in black or green. It features AquaGuard zippers for added weather protection all around on each compartment. On the main compartment, it is double zippered, so you do have two zippers to utilize. It does have these long pull cords that it is consistent on all the other Alpaka products as well. There's not a huge amount going on, but that's kind of the point. It's a simple travel pouch. On the front, you do have a smaller quick access compartment. This is ideal for things like earbuds or even a small compact key setup that you might use. And it does have a dedicated AirTag style pocket inside as well. So as you open up, you do see the dedicated AirTag compartment just up here. It does sit just overlapping this front bit here to get access to it. And then you'll probably notice that it does have this interior finish, which is a checkered 210D ripstop in blackout. It adds a bit of character, and honestly it's a really nice touch from the Alpaka team to introduce this. So it does have this small compartment here that you can use for any other additional small items that you might want to store away in here. Moving to the back, you do have a clean minimal setup as well, with 3 different attachment points for the sling system. So you do have 2 up here for a horizontal carry, or you have 2 up here for a vertical carry, depending on how you like it. And it does give that a little difference and variety in the way you're carrying it. You can see that there is a slim profile as well, so I just want you to be aware it is designed for small essential items that you want to keep close to your body when traveling. So opening up into the interior, we do have a slightly different opening system, and it does use the double zippered like I said, and AquaGuard zippers here. But once you open up, it is open fully on just the one side only, which is the top here, and then at the bottom it does stop just halfway here to give you that intentional design that's used to carry in the vertical position. So if you have items, it will naturally settle at the bottom and not spill out. But if you wanted to use it horizontally, you could just have it halfway opened here, and then you could just access everything from the top down in that point of view. So it does work really well, and it's a small but smart detail that adds a lot of flexibility. So inside you do have that same checkered material as well, like I showed earlier at the front. And then on the right side here, the back side, there is a dedicated pocket that's designed for your phone here, or you could use it for any other items, I suppose. For my phone, for iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it just sits perfectly nice and flushed in here. And then just at the front, you do have this little zippered compartment that you can use to store your important cards in here that has RFID protection. It's nicely lined in here, and it is going to offer RFID protection, the newest type of fraud scheme that there is. So if you want that extra protection, it's got that built in here for you. The main interior is pretty slim, like I mentioned, and you can store a little bits in here, but you wouldn't want exactly too thick of an item in here. That might start to make this quite thick. Any small items in here would go perfectly fine. And then on this side, at the front side, you do have another style, accordion style opening compartment right here, but this one does have a magnetic clip at the top here, so it does sit more flush than the other side, which doesn't have the magnetic. And you do have these card holders, 3 card slots that you could use to store like a wallet that you could utilize. It's nice and flush here, and you can barely even notice it with that checkered pattern, as it's very subtle. And yeah, you do have a little pen holder just up here as well that you must or you should carry, especially for people who travel. You may need just a pen. You know nowadays that a lot of people don't even use this type of stuff anymore, but sometimes it just comes in handy. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and Alpaka has done a really solid job with this design. One thing I did notice is that the zippers are quite firm and does require a bit more force than expected. That said, it does feel intentional, like for added security as well. It does feel like something that will loosen up maybe as time goes on, but for now it does feel a bit on this tighter and stiff side. It does take a bit of pulling and tugging. So just on the back you do get this strap that you could use to carry this pouch, and it does go around the wrist just like this, and you can hold it just like this if you need to. And it's easily removable with this mag lock. Press it in, clip it in. It does have this included carrying strap too, or crossbody strap, and you can just attach it in as well very easily. And it gives you sling mode, or if you want to have it on the vertical side, you just attach it this way, move it that way. Very easily done, as you can see. So here I'm just going to fill it up with a few items in here just to give you a feel of what you can sort of fit in here. And of course it does get quite tight once you start putting everything in, and I'll show you. So this is the battery pack, and then this is a little cleaning cloth for my glasses, some cleaning wipes to get the dirt off, and then into the main compartment. I do have 3 card slots I already just put in here. These are like coffee stamps. So, and then over here with the magnetic side, I'm going to just put my passport in here, store it in here. And then let's say if I wanted to put my phone in here, I can maybe put it in the center if I wanted to, or in here. If it was me, I would probably just store it down along the center here, so I don't have to get access to that accordion style pocket here. I could just open it up real quick and just grab it down the center. But like I said earlier, it does get quite tight in here because it's such a thin profile pouch, but it does do the job for carrying little items like that. And maybe, yeah, let's say if I was at a card show, I could bring some Pokemon slabs for trading, and I could sort of fit in here instead of having, let's say, my passport, and I could just put a slab in here and bring it to trade. So yeah, I could fit maybe 2 more in here, and maybe if I take my phone out, I could maybe have a few slabs in here as well, just to carry with me. I don't have that much slabs, to be fair, so I think this would do the job for that. But yeah, just want you to know that it is a slim pouch just for that sole purpose of carrying your travel essentials. So it does come in 2 colours, black and green, and it's priced at £53. I think this is a solid accessory, especially for people who travel frequently or just want a dedicated phone pouch for an everyday carry. It does that job really well, and honestly it just goes a bit beyond just being a simple phone holder for a price. And especially if you're already an Alpaka fan who appreciates their consistent design language, I think it sits in a very fair place. You're getting a well built and clean functional pouch with a lot of thoughtful design details. At the end of the day, I'm not really sure if I have any major faults with it. It is simple by design, and if you wanted more, you'd probably be looking at a different product entirely. On the other hand, if you needed less, you're likely to go for a basic card holder. So this really finds a sweet spot just in between, somewhere between a minimalist card pouch and a little compact sling. I think it would be perfect for anyone who travels a lot, or even for people who carry receipts or little like documentations that you may need to carry, or small essentials that you want to just keep everything organized on a close hand. There's a style for everyone, and admit this one might be for you or may not be for you. But if you enjoyed the video and want to support the channel, you can use the link down in the description. I do get a little kickback from the link if you do use it, and it does save you some money, of course. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It does really help out, and I'll keep working on more content and hopefully deliver some more reviews for you soon. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great one.